Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to change or download a different region in Free Fire so you can play with your friends from other servers. So simply launch your Free Fire on your device and go to the main menu. Once this kind of interface logs in into your phone, make sure your game is updated to the latest version and simply go to the settings icon at the top corner right here. And here, if you see there, scroll down to the region or server option. Otherwise, simply tap on option right here. If you are new to the game, this option might not be available for you. Otherwise, it will be available. After you go to the region or server option, choose the region you want to play in. For example, Asia, Europe or Indonesia. Some regions may have better pings or different events, so choose accordingly. If required, the game will prompt you to download extra resources for that region and simply tap on download and wait until it's complete so that you can go to that region and play in that region. After downloading, restart the game and you are now set to play in your selected region and enjoy matches with players from that arena that may be international players, and you will get harder lobbies, so make sure you choose your region according to your skills and your Wi-Fi strength. And that's how you can change or download or reset Free Fire. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below what topic should I cover next. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.